In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel Bluehost subscription. So let's see how we can do it. To cancel our Bluehost subscription, at first we need to visit bluehost.com, and then from the top menu we are going to click on login. And this will take us to the login page, and here we need to enter our Bluehost username and password and then click on login. And this will take us to the dashboard of our Bluehost web hosting. Now on the dashboard, on the top right corner you will see your account icon. So here it is. Just click on it, and from here we are going to select products, and here it will show us all the products that we have purchased from Bluehost, whether it's domains or web hosting. Next to our web hosting plan, we are going to see this three dots button. So we are going to click on it, and after that from here we are going to select renewal options, and here it will show us renewal options. And now from here we are going to select manual renew, and in this way our web hosting will not renew automatically in the future. And in case we want to renew the web hosting, we can do it manually, and in this way you will not charge automatically. So this is how you can cancel your Bluehost subscription. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.